Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and okay, just let me tap on it. Alright, and if we are on the photo mode, we have to tap on this icon, like more icon in the left upper corner, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got three different options, so the off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. If you want to set the timer, just tap on the option, so for example this one. As you can see right now it is highlighted in this bluish color, so we can go back and tap on the shutter button. As you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And as you can see, basically that would be all. Of course, if you want to, you can always turn it off just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.